In advance of severe storms, we get outlooks from the Storm Prediction Center based in Norman, Oklahoma. They issue these outlooks for the entire country. Meteorologist Jessica Camuto breaks down what the categories in the outlooks mean.
Here across the Tennessee Valley, we can see all kinds of weather. Not only during the fall and winter months does severe weather strike, but it can happen in the spring and summertime. Those severe storms can lead to heavy rain, strong winds, and even tornadoes. Now, one big thing the Weather Authority looks at is something called the Severe Weather Outlook. This is a product that is given to us and put out by the Storm Prediction Center. But you may be wondering, how is it broken down? Well, this is a look at the severe weather outlook and an understanding of it. There are 5 different categories. Typically, our area is placed under a category 1 or category 2. That is a marginal or slight risk. That means that isolated severe storms or scattered storms are possible, meaning that the severity of these would be limited, or there could be intensity that would be isolated. Now, the most intense storms or those very significant or violent outbreaks, that would be a high, that very level 5 risk. That means that we're going to see a widespread severe weather outbreak. So what does this mean when we see how bad could these storms could occur? Well, a level 1, a marginal risk, it means that similar to severe storms that occur multiple times a year in your area. Now, if we get to a level 3, enhanced risk, severe storms that occur once or twice a year that are within your area. Now, if we were to get to a level 5, the worst, that means very intense storms that occur once or twice in a lifetime. That would be similar to an April 27, 2011 event, because that means that we could see potentially a severe storm outbreak or even a violent tornado outbreak. The last time we were placed under a moderate outlook was back on April 5th, 2025, over 283 days ago. Last time a high risk day for us, March 15th, 2025. If you want to learn more about the severe weather outlook breakdown from the Storm Prediction Center, you can read it on WHNT.com.